When it comes to precision metal cutting, having the right tool can make all the difference. If you're working on automotive repairs, metal roofing, or intricate fabrication projects, a high-quality nibbler can save you time, effort, and frustration. Unlike traditional shears or saws, nibblers offer clean, accurate cuts with minimal distortion to the metal. But with so many options available, finding the best one for your needs can be overwhelming. In this guide, we've rounded up the 5 best nibblers for metal cutting jobs. The Hilti SP-N6-A22. Cordless nibbler is a highly versatile tool designed for freeform cuts across a wide range of metal materials. Whether you're working with corrugated sheets, trapezoidal sheets, flat sheets, or CL and U profiles up to 2 mm thick, this nibbler delivers precise and efficient results. Powered by a 21.6 volt battery, it maintains a lightweight design at just 4.4 pounds, which makes it easy to maneuver even in tight spaces. Plus, its brushless motor technology ensures up to 3 times longer life by eliminating the common wear points found in traditional motors, like carbon brushes and commutators. With a variable speed dial ranging from 620 to 1370 strokes per minute, the SP-N6-A22 can be fine-tuned for different materials and applications. Adding to its flexibility, the tool offers 3 interchangeable heads, allowing seamless transitions between cutting flat, corrugated, trapezoidal, and profiled metals. It means you can work on C, L, and U profiles up to 82 mm in depth with the SP-NRN head. You'll also get a standout safety feature in the Hilti SP-N6-A22, which is its minimal spark and emission output, making it a safer option for use around flammable materials or in enclosed environments. Rugged, reliable, and remarkably adaptable, the Hilti SP-N6-A22 is an essential solution for professionals demanding clean, controlled cuts in metalwork. Professional metalworkers never compromise on precision and accuracy on their jobs. That's why we have kept this Metabo cordless nibbler on our list. With an efficient brushless motor, it offers faster, more consistent performance, while the infinitely adjustable cutting speed allows users to customize the tool to the material and task at hand. One of its standout features is its exceptional cornering ability, comfortably cutting narrow radii as tight as 15 mm. Weighing lightly and featuring a slim grip area, the nibbler ensures comfortable handling, and the conveniently placed top switch makes operation easy and intuitive. The blade spacing can be flexibly adjusted to suit different sheet thicknesses, while the economical 4-way reversible blade ensures high cut quality and longer tool life. Safety is a priority, with a large handguard offering protection in every cutting direction, and electronic overload protection extends the tool's lifespan. For ease of transport and storage, the nibbler comes with the Metabo system. Another major advantage is its compatibility with the Cordless Alliance system. It can be used with any 18-volt battery packs and chargers from all KS brands, offering flexibility and cost savings. Compact, efficient, and incredibly maneuverable, the Metabo cordless metal nibbler is an ideal choice for metalworkers looking for reliable, on-the-go performance. For a wide range of cutting applications, the Fine ABK is a lightweight, compact nibbler designed for precision and versatility. It comes with a cutting speed of 1.5 meters per minute, so you're going to get clean, accurate cuts even on complex curves and profiles. Thanks to its extremely slim gearbox, the tool offers optimal handling, allowing users to work comfortably even in tight spaces. This tool is engineered for durability, featuring a rotating punch that extends the service life by 30% compared to standard models. For added convenience and reduced downtime, the punch and die can be replaced independently. Its variable cutting speed setting enables the tool to adapt to different materials and thicknesses, enhancing performance across a variety of tasks. Additionally, the cutting direction can be adjusted in 45-degree increments up to a full 360 degrees, offering unmatched flexibility when working with intricate shapes. Whether you are cutting trapezoid sheets, corrugated metal, or specialized profiles, the Fine Nibbler ensures smooth, precise results every time. This professional-grade tool combines efficiency, durability, and user-focused design, which makes it an excellent choice for both industrial and workshop settings. Moving on to the Milwaukee M18, fuel 10-gauge nibbler that delivers outstanding power and performance, making it ideal for more demanding metal cutting applications. Powered by a power-state brushless motor, it provides fast, clean cuts through 10-gauge mild steel and 12-gauge stainless steel. Its ability to make tight 2-inch radius cuts ensures precision and control, even on intricate radial turns. Designed with a compact and lightweight form factor, the M18 Fuel 10-gauge Nibbler offers enhanced mobility and better access in tight spaces. It features a variable speed trigger and a variable speed mode selection, giving users maximum control over their work. Tool-free 360-degree die holder rotation allows for quick adjustments, while an integrated LED work light improves visibility in dim work areas. Additionally, the included chip collection bag simplifies job site cleanup, keeping the workspace safer and more organized. Built for professionals who need top performance and durability, the M18 Fuel Nibbler is a powerful, versatile solution for metal fabrication, HVAC work, and automotive applications. To end the list, we have the Makita JN 160116-gauge Nibbler, a powerful and versatile tool, perfect for clean and precise work in keystone plate, deck plate, and other corrugated sheet materials. Powered by a robust 5-amp motor, it delivers an impressive 2,200 strokes per minute, ensuring fast and efficient cutting. The JN1601 is capable of cutting up to 16-gauge mild steel and 18-gauge stainless steel, making it ideal for a range of heavy-duty applications. Its die rotates a full 360 degrees and features a large 1/4-inch stroke, allowing for maximum maneuverability and precision. Weighing only 3.6 pounds, this tool is designed with a slim, ergonomic body and a small circumference barrel grip for comfortable, continuous use. The JN1601 also got some additional features, like a built-in thickness gauge for added convenience and an easy punch and die replacement system that helps reduce downtime on the job. The lock-on sliding switch supports continuous operation, while the externally accessible carbon brushes offer greater serviceability. Plus, it is equipped with double insulation, a feature that significantly enhances its safety by reducing the risk of electrical shocks and system failures. The Makita JN1601 also comes with wrenches included, ensuring you have everything needed to get started right away. So that's our list of the 5 best nibblers for metal cutting. If you think we've missed your favorite one, let us know in the comment section. Like and subscribe to get more videos like this on your feed. Thank you.